Hello everyone. Today I want to talk about the concept of biblical headship and what it really means. So let's dive straight into the scriptures. In Ephesians 5 verse 23 it says, "For the husband is the head of the wife, as Christ is the head of the church." Now this isn't about superiority, it's about different roles within God's design. Husbands are called to love their wives just as Christ loved the church, with sacrifice and care. Ephesians 5 verse 25 makes it clear, husbands, love your wives, just as Christ loved the church and gave himself up for her. Wives, on the other hand, are called to respect and submit to their husbands, as seen in Ephesians 5 verse 22. This mutual respect and love create a harmonious and God-centered relationship. This principle of headship also applies to spiritual leadership in the church. In 1 Corinthians 11 verse 3, Paul explains that God is the head of Christ, Christ is the head of man, and man is the head of woman. This reflects divine authority and order. Now let's talk about head coverings and submission. 1 Corinthians 11 verse 4 to 10 says that a woman should cover her head when praying or prophesying. This is a symbol of her recognition of male headship. Paul bases this teaching on creation, stating that man was created first and woman was made for man. So, what's the takeaway? Biblical headship is about love, sacrifice, and respect, not dominance or superiority. It's about fulfilling God-given roles within his divine order. Embrace this teaching and let it enrich your relationships and walk with the Lord. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more biblical insights.